heaven. I know Mama Lilia, this is your grace to see your daughter on the aisle, saying I do to someone what I don't know that someone is doing. I don't really believe in this, but what I believe is God is making something impossible. Yes, of course, I am happily married, but God's way I can understand. I told Kina that I want to repeat it again, that when God created you, He must be thinking of you, and He must be thinking of me, and this is the ultimate fulfillment of God's for us, and then we call it this thing. So for all who are here, mga kapatid ni Gina, from Pupo, I know your beloved wife is not here, but I know his son is with us, and the Carlo Chief, am I right? Wife of Chief, thank you for being with us. I know you binigyan niyo kami ng time. Of naman, thank you, though wala dito yung wife mo, and he is also doing something remarkable para sa pamilya ninyo. He is doing this, I know hindi madali ang buhay ng OFW. Talaga, mahirap kaya malaki ang opportunity ko dati na magiging OFW, but I decide to have to be an OFW. Mahirap talaga. Kahit nung ako, mag-uupin, magpalay ang pamilya. But I struggle talaga. Pero yung mga OFW ito, they are heroes for the modern time. And also, to Rika, though hindi na pinili na kayo but I know you have this special kindness in your heart. I have never seen and talk of your husband, but I know he is also fine. And to Lydia, who is having a lot of trouble, headaches, and making this appear successful one, I know you have a lot of sleepless night because of midnight, just pursuing you on what are the progress of this event. Thank you, and also to Rafael. Yung makita natin si Rafael this video days na nagsasuffer siya about his UTI. Sabi ko rin ito na dati, sana hindi ako yung UTI. Ano ba rin? Sabi pa naman, ano ba yung UTI? Yung umipig tapos hindi yun.
Iba talaga gugot ni ano.
UTI na yan. Paninulat niya. Sabi naman niya, hindi natutulan na yun. Malagi kasi kami, pag may gigan na sa tulpo, ipapasa sa kanya pagkatap. Yan. Sana maging tapat tayo sa isa't isa. At sa lahat ng mga kapag-anak na nandito, I know you have spent a lot of your time, even your talent and treasure. Give a part of your life na sa pagkataon ito, hindi namin kayang ipamalitin. Malaki effort na ginagawa ninyo. Thank you. Nakita ko lahat nyo. I really appreciate it very much. Kasi ako, nag-iisa lang ako dito. Wala akong kakilala. Sa tulong ninyo, marami na akong kakilala. Kasi kahit hindi ko sasabihin na gagawin para magiging successful itong occasion ito, nagiging siguro more than a successful event that is happening today. At sa mga kamag-anak na nandito, I know na iwan niyo yung sarili-sarili yung pamilya because of us. Salamat din sa pag-attend ngayon. And all I can say to Leah is and all of you siblings in Inday, I take care in Inday. Siguro maiwan mo na siya dito, but hopefully in a year from now, makapagkasama kami doon sa ibang bansa. Ang plano, but kahit na nandoon ako, kasi noong dati, sinasabi ko na ayaw ko lang talagang magiging OFW. This month, I will start my life being an OFW because my heart iniwan ko na yung katinday. So, pagpunta ko doon, OFW na ako kasi yung pinakamamahal ko na iwan dito. Yung
Kiss mo na,
pag-ibig ko na. All I can say that you're correct. Words is not enough to describe how I care about you. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa iyo. I may run out of words to describe these feelings. Kasi nung makita kita, ito sasabihin ko sa'yo, just few words kung paano kami nagkikita. Kasi marami na nagsasabi sa akin na maghanap ka na magiging kasama mo. Pray. Sabi ko ba, yes, nagiging ko sa Panginoon. Hindi ko dito. O napakita ko siya, i-invite pa yan. Napakita ko yung smile niya para mga hindi ko maintindihan yung feelings ko at nag-iwanan ko ng message sa kanya, kundi naman nag-reply siya. O, nang mag-reply siya, yan ang simula hanggang ngayon ng fulfillment sa mga pangarap namin nila. Gawin ko lang sabihin ko, since may, alam ko may, thank you.
Sige na. Naibay na po, naman ko na. Halangan ka, halangan ko.
Pagkanaan, maaalihim, Tuhan keadaan katanang kaya ko na usap sa mga basta kang makanan. Tama salamat kayo makanan. Lapit ko rin ako mga